Hello, my name's Aaron. We moved in here to our new home here in Overland Park, and we wanted to get some work done on the awning. It just didn't really match with what the home was like, and so we wanted something different. And my wife had been researching similar style of homes, and we found a couple contractors, and that's when we contacted Sergio with True Grit. They came out, we showed him some pictures, and he said, yeah, I think we can do that. He gave us a price, a firm quote, and we decided to go with them. Through the process, he was very communicative. They showed up on time, and the job was done within the schedule that he provided, and all at the price that he said that it would be done at. So behind us you can see the awning that they produced. Again, just from photos, no drawings produced. They took care of any necessary permits at that time, and we were just really pleased with how the project turned out. I would recommend them for any of your outdoor construction roofing needs because they were very trustworthy, honest, and like I said, very communicative.